this point, I would like to thank the representatives of Autel. We are proud and honored to work with Autel. The relationship with Autel goes years now, and extremely privileged to be working and continue working with Autel in the field of electric mobility.
It's an early start, 4 a.m. in the morning, but we are ready to hit the road. And today's adventure is the sun-drenched island of Cyprus in the heart of the Mediterranean. But this is not a holiday. We're actually here on a mission, bringing the Autel chargers to the edge of Europe. Psaltis Auto Parts, a longtime partner of Autel, recognized the potential of green energy, and they've decided to dive into the charging station market in Cyprus. In their warehouse, we had a training session for the local technicians. After the theoretical part, we moved on to the hands-on demo and training for our DC compact charger, since fast charging is the future. The next day, we found ourselves in Scully Amphitheater, where Psaltis puts an amazing event, showcasing Autel's charging stations and solutions, and highlighting the importance of green energy practices to the guests in the relevant industries. Even though Cyprus is still in the early stages of developing new energy vehicles and charging station industries, it's really encouraging to see that we have friends and partners there, helping the embrace and switch to electric cars in Cyprus. And for us, this trip has been great. We would love to see our customers in person, and we are excited to see where this journey takes us next.